All right, so we finally got some upgrades. I'm about to get this on here. Take this basic one off. Damn, this shit plastic. This shit plastic, bro. That's crazy. They put this cheap shit on here. Plastic. Oh, crap.
Yeah, I got it, thank you. I got it now. The screws, yeah. No more screws. I used them all.
Hold on 1 second. Let me see. Damn.
There. Why is my board sound like that?
I don't know. It's messed up for real. Put this shit on the bottom, the other screw. It's hard to get up in there. Move. Now you can mess with it. So I finally got this joint on here. I had to do a lot to get this on here. I had to drill out the holes. It had rivets on it before, so I had to drill out the rivets. Undo this here, pull it back, and take this out. And this was in there like that. Well, actually it was in there that way through. So I had to pull it out this way, which was a pain. And I probably could have just cut this and broke it or something, would have made it easier, but I didn't want to do that in case I want to go back to the original. So took that out, got this in, which was a pain in the butt to get in there. The screws that come with it are Allen screws, which are a pain. So the bottom ones I changed them out to the socket type screws, so they'll be a little bit easier if I ever got to take it back out. But it's in there now. Now I'm just gonna put the filter on there now. So we ready to go, ready to rock and roll. Put that on there, tighten this down, tighten the clamp down. I'm gonna take this off actually. Put this cover on. So tight. Tight. This don't look messed up already. What the heck? I don't know what they working at. Dang, this joint tight. I'm gonna get this in there. This might not fit on here. Yeah. Pull that back a little bit so we get that clamp. On there. There we go. About time. No, it's not on the bottom. There you have it. Finally done. Took long enough. Finally got that mug on there. Put all this back. I don't know how that's supposed to be, but it seems right there. Shows it going the other way. Somebody put this shit on wrong, so it looks like this don't loose, bro. Some idiot put this shit on there wrong. Let's go like that. Dylan, come here for a second. Got that screwdriver for me? Yeah, yep. So this terminal was loose. Power. It was loose. It wasn't on there right. That's how it's supposed to be on. Look, this jump was really loose. It's crazy. You guys put that thing on there like that. I wonder if the other one is on there right. Make sure this one's tight too.
This one's tight too.
This one's loose too. What these guys doing, man? Gonna give me the loose terminals. Crazy. Alright, so now that's on there right now. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, man. These people.
What people?
The people that I bought the bike from, they didn't put it on there right. They didn't put that cord on there right.
What should I put the cord on? I said maybe should put that cord on.
Yeah, when they put the battery wires, they didn't put it on tight enough.
They say you got a screwdriver.
Yep. Here, check that for me. Yep, we're done now. We got to clean up.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
There's only a fat person selling it.
Mm-hmm.
Look at selling your plate. What's selling your plate?
So I finally finished putting all the parts on. I got the new Pro Armor bumper. I got the Tusk Nerf bars. And both of those are like a quick 5 to 10 minute install. You know, it ain't but a couple bolts on there. I would say, 10-minute install for both of them. For the Nerf bars, 10 minutes. 10 minutes for the bumper. I'm probably gonna powder coat this piece here. I'm gonna take this off, powder coat that blue. I know y'all seen. Put the new air filter in there. gytr air filter. I had to put that metal piece on there. That was a pain to install that, but got it done. Took way longer than I wanted to. But it is what it is. I'm still waiting on my full exhaust. I ordered it probably 2 or 3 weeks ago. I think it was back ordered. I ordered the HMF full exhaust. It's supposed to be here anytime now, but things been taking a long time to ship. So this is all we got so far. I'm gonna change out this grab bar here. I really don't know which one to get just yet, so I'm kind of looking around, but I definitely want something different. I don't really like the look of that one, so probably go with a black, something black. I don't know what, but just something to match the Nerf bars and the bumper. Probably go with a black. I don't know, I've seen a couple different ones that I kind of saved, but we'll see which one I get. What else? I've been looking at a couple different things, man. Just, I'm ordering things as I see them. and see what's gonna look best on here. So there you have it. Got a couple upgrades. At least we got something on there. Waiting on the full exhaust. As soon as I get that, I'll make a video on the HMF full exhaust. It's definitely gonna sound way different, way, a lot better. Right now, this shit sucks the way it sounds, man. It's so quiet. I like to have, some sound when I hit that gas. Just makes it more exciting. Right now, it's kind of, somewhat boring to me. I look forward to hearing that sound. So anyhow, keep checking the videos. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep posting more up, keep ordering more and more parts.